This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Newman. This beautifully updated unit condo is filled with natural light and features an open floor plan, spacious primary suite with a large walk-in closet, in-unit washer and dryer, and private exterior storage. Enjoy resort-style amenities including a sparkling pool, spa, fitness center, grilling and picnic areas, and car wash station. The HOA covers exterior maintenance for truly carefree ownership. Ideally located just minutes from I-95, top-rated shopping, dining, golf, and all that Viera has to offer. Move-in ready and perfect for year-round living. First, last and security deposit required. No pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Newman at 321-308-3268.